This video was brought to you by the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, located in the Norman F. Feldheim Central Branch of the San Bernardino Public Library. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.
My name is Valerie from the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, and today I'm going to show you how to do this Halloween bat craft. So the things that you need are this bat template, some construction paper, a pencil, glue, scissors, and anything you can use for the eyes. So here's some options. These are some sequins, some googly eyes, and some buttons. But anything you can find in your house would be alright. So this template would also be in the description below, so if you don't have it with you, you could just go down and click the link and it will be right there. So the first step you want to do is you want to grab your template and any color construction sheet paper. I'm going to use purple, and you want to cut around all of the shapes. After you cut out your templates, now you want to trace them onto your construction paper. So for the body, you want to do it in one color, and the ears, stomach, mouth, you want to do it on a different color so it stands out on the body. On the construction sheet paper you're using for your ears, body, and smile, make sure to use it in the top corner because we're going to use our hands to trace. Once you have your pieces cut out, now you want to take your other construction paper, any color that you want, and a pencil, and we're going to trace our hands and cut them out. When you're tracing your hands, make sure to leave enough room for the belly, the ears, and the mouth. When you're tracing your hand, you can also trace your hand twice and you'll be able to flip it around once you cut it out. If you need a little help, make sure to call your parents and they can help you trace your hand. So once you have your hands cut out, now we can start putting the bat together. So let's take the body first, and we could glue the bat wings on them. So I'm gonna glue it on the back side. The feet, now we could glue on the body, and make sure to use a different color if you want to. I'm going to use blue so it can match the wings. Now onto the ears. And next, the smile. Now the last step is to add the eyes. So you can find anything in your house that you want to use for the bat's eyes, and I'm going to use the googly eyes. There you go, now you're finished with your Halloween bat craft. Thanks for watching.